having some rest.
So you have done fasting today?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I have done fasting today.
Okay. And
What is time in Indonesia?
It's
right now
10 o'clock p.m.
10 o'clock, 10 p.m., 10 a.m.
p.m. 10
Okay,
o'clock
okay.
p.m.
So you have done Tarawih?
Yeah, I have done fasting and Tarawih, Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
And what's your name?
So how's the weather? How's the weather there?
Please repeat.
What?
Repeat, please.
Okay. And corona condition. How is the corona condition in Indonesia?
In Indonesia, it's working good and well because everyone obey the rule. So I think corona will go away.
That's good. Following the SOPs, we can control the corona actually.
Sure. And how there's? How in Pakistan? How about corona in
right now there is a severe condition in Pakistan, especially in Lahore. Basically, people are not following SOPs properly.
Oh.
And some protests are going on in Pakistan. So due to protest, condition is pretty dangerous.
Oh my God! Be careful, my bro.
Yeah. I'm
everyone.
taking care of myself.
So everyone don't have to go outside.
What?
So everyone not allowed to go outside or? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. But there's everyone still can pray together, jamaah like that.
Yeah. By maintaining some distance.
Oh. When you pray with social distance or just like usual?
No, like 2 to 3 feet distance between every person.
Oh, okay. Per saf, yeah. And
what is your name, brother?
My name Salman Al Farisi.
Salman. My name is Asad Raza.
Asad. Okay. I'm a YouTuber and I already recording for the YouTube. And I'll write my name, my channel name. It's my channel name.
Faris.
Yeah, there's my channel name. So you can see this video after all of this done. And
okay.
Can you greeting to the audience?
How
in Ramadan time?
How to add you especially? Is there any option?
Yes. You ask what? Asad. Okay, there's your name.
Yeah. I said how to add you. Like, is there any option to add random people on this application?
I don't know. You want to share me next or what? Maybe just if you have a number phone or WhatsApp, maybe I can.
Okay, I'll text you my mobile number.
Okay.
WhatsApp me.
That's good.
92302. Here is my mobile number.
Okay, I know the country code in Pakistan is 92, right?
Yeah, +92 is Pakistan country code.
Okay, you have WhatsApp on this phone number?
I have what? Yeah, WhatsApp. Yeah,
Okay.
WhatsApp.
So, what you were in your hand? There's a Mi Band or something else?
Mi Band 4.
Oh, Mi Band 4. Okay.
Yeah.
I have Mi Band 5, but I'm not using right now.
Basically, the issue with Mi Band 5 is like battery timing is very less as compared to like Mi Band 4.
Okay, that I know it.
One of my friends already using Mi Band 5 and he complained a lot about battery timing. But Mi Band 4 is like best regarding battery and other.
That's right. And so, what are you looking for in OME TV? You just waiting for Isha time or what?
Yeah, I'm waiting for Isha time.
Oh. So, when you go Tarawih?
Tarawih after Isha.
Yeah, I know. But
Like
tell me the time.
8:30, 8:40 roundabout.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's good. We can talk more longer. And how old you are?
I'm 27.
27? Really? 27. Can you guess how old am I?
You might be like 25, 26.
25, 26. I'm 23.
22?
23.
Okay.
23. 3.
23, okay. I'm 27.
Okay. Because when I play OME TV, I was using a glasses, mask, and a kit. Oh my god, what happening? Is a bad connection or? Hello Asad, can you hear me? Do you still hot? Oh my god. Oh, lost connection. Okay, we can return it on WhatsApp. Okay. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope it's useful. Maybe it's useful for you all. Please, if you want to request me, just comment down below. And I hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and goodbye. Ya, tadi di Pakistan sedang menunggu azan Isya dan sedangkan di sini tuh jam 10 guys. Jadi lebih duluan sini sekitar berapa ya? Sekitar 2,5 jaman gitu. Dan kita memang harus menyesuaikannya kayak gitu. Jadi saya sedang piket namanya apa ya? Piket majelis gitu ya. Majelis itu ya kayak tempat ngaji gitulah. Ngaji itu ya kayak belajar Al-Qur'an, sunnah dan semacamnya. Dan saya rasa suara saya juga mulai cukup seperti itu karena ini udah terlalu larut malam. Saya sendiri juga di sini. Sebenarnya tadi ada teman saya dan nggak tahu entah kemana. Saya rasa cukup, kita makin asik aja ya ngobrolnya sama siapa-siapa aja. Tapi kebanyakan dari Pakistan sih, nggak tahu. Padahal saya nggak pakai VPN dan seringnya nyambungnya ke Pakistan dan katanya orang-orang Pakistan bendera saya itu Pakistan juga. Dan ini membuat saya cukup heran. Apakah yang error OME TV-nya atau kelakuan saya yang membuat saya menjadi mengarahkan ke Pakistan tapi nggak sadar entah mencet apa atau download apa gitu. Ya intinya semoga nggak apa-apa sih. Karena kita sempat terhubung juga dengan beberapa negara lain kayak Rusia kayak gitu, terus United Kingdom, US, German, France, Australia, and another. Okay, goodbye.